Hey guys, this is Shorin from Happy Miles, and today I'm going to bring you a 10-minute beginner style Tabata routine. Which will be a HIIT routine, but the exercise will be much easier. It will be 90 to 100 kilocalories of burn will be there. Let's start this workout. Okay, I'm starting the timer. Okay, so we'll be starting with the jumping jacks. Don't bend your hands. Try to gain the form and then increase the speed. Okay, so this is a Tabata routine. You can take rest in between the 10 seconds and also you can do this active rest like I'm doing. So our next exercise will be a high plank. We'll be starting our jumping jacks again in 3, 2, 1, go. Keep your hands straight, elbows not bending. Almost done. 3, 2, 1. Next up, we have high plank again. So this is an active rest. Okay, so our next exercise is a squat pulse. Go into the squat position, sit deep and pulse. Move your hips up and down. This will target your hips as well as your thighs. Almost done. 3, 2, 1, done. Next we have push-up leg raise. Go into the high plank position and then raise your legs one by one. This is also an active rest position. While doing this high intensity interval training, try to breathe correctly. Breathe through your nose and then breathe out using your mouth. Next, start with the squat pulse again. Try to correct your form. Sit deep. This will give you a burn in the thighs. Next is the second round of push-up leg raise. 3, 2, 1, start. Don't raise your hips, only raise your legs. Keep your body straight, keep your lower back straight and your chest up. Okay, so our next exercise is lateral jumps. So there are two forms of this exercise. One is just shifting your weight from one leg to the other, and the second one is jumping while shifting your weight. Jump as far as you can. For the low impact version, just shift your weight. Almost done. 3, 2, 1, done. Next is knee push-ups. So come down to your knees and then try to touch your chest to the floor. This is the simplest form of push-up. You should be able to do it. do not bring your head up before you bring your chest. Bring both of them up together. If you are comfortable with it, do the complete push-ups. Next, we'll repeat the lateral lunges again. Keep your breathing correct, guys. It will improve your calorie burning. Don't breathe in through your mouth. For the low impact version, just shift your weight. Okay, relax. The next one is push up on knees again. If you cannot do it for 20 seconds, take a break. And if you are able to do it, if it is easy for you, then do the full push-ups. Three, two, one, relax. The next is front lunges. So keep your upper body straight in line with your thigh. Your knees should be able to touch the ground and your front knee should not go beyond your toes. Okay, so this is another exercise, that is the tricep dips. So this is a low impact version. Just pull your hips up using your triceps. For the front lunges, do not let your front knee to go beyond your toes. Next, we'll be doing the tricep dips again. If you cannot bring your hips up, then try to do as much as you can. This is a great effective exercise. It will improve your overall body strength. Next we have is the side lunges. So go from side to side and then try to sit on one leg while stretching the other. You'll feel this on the leg which is straight. Our next exercise will be crab toe touches. So this is a difficult exercise. If you are not able to do it, just do starfish crunches. Try to touch your toes while bringing your hips up. This is a great exercise for overall body strength as well as for the core. We'll do the side lunges again. Okay, so this is our last exercise for today, crab toe touches. Halfway done, only 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay guys, so this was a great beginner workout. So it will burn at least 100 calories. So if you like this video, please subscribe and tell me what kind of routines do you want in the comment section, and please subscribe and let us meet in my next video. Thank you.